Just out of jail for a DUI, here's your next move. As you leave the jail, you're likely going to have a piece of paper say receipt for license, because they actually have your driver's license, and they tell you that receipt for license will act as your driver's license if you get pulled over. So don't lose that receipt for license. You likely also have a piece of paper with a few court dates on it. Typically there's going to be initial hearing. At the very minimum, there might even be future dates after that: bench trial, jury trial, final pretrial conference. But the most important one is that initial hearing. You might have some other documents with the actual charges, some bond paperwork. All of that stuff's important. What you want to do immediately is take a picture of all that with your cell phone. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you talk to attorneys are going to want to see that, because that's going to give them a really good indication of what you were going to have to deal with for you, especially on the weekends and evening when court records aren't updated minute by minute. And so having that documentation can quickly help an attorney figure out what's going on and what we're actually dealing with and how best to help you. So take a picture. Inevitably, whatever attorney you're going to talk to, especially if it's my law firm, we're going to have you please send us what you have. And we typically do things by text messages, emails, if people are more comfortable with that. But ultimately, I want to see what the jail gave you. And then also, once I know what's going on a little bit, I can actually call the jail and figure out, hey, this is what they're saying, this is what I can see, can you confirm that? And we can kind of get an idea of what's going on. Because for the most part, people are arrested for a DUI or any crime, just that anxiety of not knowing what's going on, that's what really drives people insane. So having that allows an attorney to explain things better, and we can tell you the next steps.